Welcome. In this video, I am going to show how to create a for loop in Python. Creating a for loop in Python is pretty easy. First, I am going to type for I in range of range 10, print I. When I execute this block of code, you can see the numeric value is printed from 0 to 9. If I give a value 9, it will print from 0 to 8. Next, I am going to type for I in range of 3, print hi, how are you? If I execute this block of code, you can see hi, how are you is printed 3 times. Instead of I, we can use any alphabets. I can change it to K. In the print function also, you have to change the value to K. Here I am going to change it to K. When I execute this block, it will give the same result. Here when I execute this block, it will also give the same result. Thank you.